Gateway Square, located in the heart of Short Pump, offers new construction 2-level garage condos and 3-level townhomes, featuring innovative, open-concept floor plans, private one-car garages, ample storage, and outdoor living space. Our homes are well appointed with a range of features, such as gourmet kitchens, fireplaces, or rooftop terraces, plus a selection of in-demand design finishes. Stylish, low-maintenance, hardy, and painted brick for exteriors, and included ground maintenance, so you can spend more time enjoying the things you love. This neighborhood location also gives you access to outstanding schools in the highly sought-after Deep Run High School district. You can't ask for a better location. Take a stroll down the neighborhood trail to the Greengate Shopping Center, a premier destination for upscale shopping, dining, and specialty services just outside your door. Or stay at home and enjoy the community fire pit, an expansive green space for gatherings. Gateway Square is conveniently located near Short Pump Town Center, an open-air lifestyle and entertainment experience with over 120 shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. Recreation options are right around the corner, with a variety of indoor and outdoor activities, all within minutes of Gateway Square. Commuting to Richmond's major employment centers has never been easier, with convenient access to 288, 64, 295, West Broad Street, Capital One, Innsbrook, and more. At Gateway Square, you'll save time to do all the other fun things you want in life at a price you can afford. Visit us today and tour both of our decorated 2-level garage condo models and learn more about the home sites we have available. Can't make it during business hours? With our self-guided tour technology, you can visit and explore our models at Gateway Square on your own time. Visit our website for more information. We can't wait to welcome you home to Gateway Square.